Hey guys, so in this video we are going to go through identifying support and resistance points as well as price action techniques that we use to help identify more precise support and resistance levels. So let's get right into it, starting with the pound Aussie. At the top here, this level acted as support here and resistance here. So we draw in a level. Next we have 2 rejections, another level. Next, 5 rejections. Draw in another level. Down here, 5 rejections. Another level. Next, we have a minor level with 4 minor rejections. Finally, along the bottom, 3 swing lows and we have a zone. So let's do this again on the pound Swiss. We have a swing high up here. And then 3 rejections and a level here. Next, we have this minor level here. And now we have a key zone here with 4 rejections. Now, along the bottom, we have 5 rejections, another level. And then finally a swing low here. So let's do this again on the Euro Swiss. Up here, we have a swing high. Next, a rejection here, so another level. Next, a rejection here and another level. 2 rejections here, so a level here. 2 points here, and we draw in a trend line. Now, as price comes up to this level, if we get a rejection at this level, this could be a possible short trade. But if price breaks through, then this would signal bullish price action and a possible trend change. So let's jump to the Kiwi CAD. Up here, we had 2 rejections and we draw a zone because they are close together. Next, we have 7 rejections here, so another zone as the points are close together. Next, we have this level here with 6 rejections. And now we are back here again. And if you have gone through the strategies, you know that just because we're at this level again, does not mean we jump in blindly. We want a breakout to confirm that price is indeed respecting this level this time around. And finally down here, we have 4 rejections of this level, so we draw in another zone. So let's jump to the Kiwi Yen. Here we have 11 rejections of this level, so we put in a zone. Down here, we had multiple rejections of this level and another zone. We also have a trend line connecting these points. So let's jump to the pound yen to discuss an advanced price action technique to help gauge support and resistance levels. So we use this price action technique to gauge where a level is through how candlesticks react as they approach a zone or level. We call this price reaction. So here in the pound yen, we have a zone here and a zone here. So here is an important point. Our students always ask us, do you draw in levels into the bottom of the wicks of candles or through the body of the candle close? We get this question almost every week. And our response is always, it depends. Because remember, in the earlier lessons, we state that even though we are drawing in support and resistance levels, we treat them as areas of support and resistance, not solid numbers, meaning we expect price to react in the general area. Think about it like this. Support and resistance levels are only valid if you get price action at these levels. It is just areas where buyers and sellers can potentially enter and exit the market. And if they don't take action at these levels, this means the level is invalid. Now, here in the pound yen, you can clearly see the 5 rejections of this level. So we had a zone drawn in here like this, as we wanted to connect all 5 points. Now, this is very key, so make sure you understand this concept. Going back to what we said earlier about the choice between drawing in your levels into candle closes or to the bottom of the wick. If you look here, there's technically a level here where the candle closes are, but we didn't have it drawn in. We only drew it in after we looked at how the candles were behaving. So when we saw price was losing momentum here through the smaller candle, followed by the wick sticking out, this is when we drew in this level at these 2 candle closes that also connects this new point. We reacted to what we saw the candles doing in order to identify a level of support. Let me clarify this. We had the zone originally drawn in, but only once we saw these candles reacting to this level where these 2 candles had closed at did we draw in that next line. Now, even at this point, this still means nothing. Drawing in this line means nothing. There is still no trade. But now we need to validate this level through time frame confluence in order to further confirm this level. So let's jump to the daily. As you can see, this was in a heavy bearish trend as we saw all red candles without a single green candle. Before we finally had long wick candles rejecting this level as well as green candles appearing, which shows momentum loss as well as price reacting to this level. And this confirms that price is indeed respecting this level. Remember, drawing in the level on the weekly meant nothing. We just used it as guidance, and only once we confirm this on the daily, that price is indeed reacting to this level, do we add this to our watch list. Now, here's the key. Let's further confirm this level on the 4-hour time frame as there still is no trade. Here in the 4-hour time frame, we had a triple bottom and a triangle pattern, which is a reversal pattern. And this pattern is again only confirmed through the break of the triangle. And that is when we started looking for trade entries through our intraday strategies. Now we have weekly bullish bias, daily bullish bias, and then we confirmed the bullish bias on the 4-hour time frame. Now jumping back to the weekly, the same thing as price approaches this next level. Unless price reacts or rejects this level, that is the only time it would enter our watch list. But if price just blows through, that means this level is invalid and buyers and sellers are not taking action, meaning we pass. So I hope that helps you further your understanding of support and resistance and how candle, close, and the low of the wick in reality means nothing. It all comes down to the behavior of the candle as it approaches levels, which is the true indicator of reaction and what price action is in a nutshell. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.